Morning grade 8 students. Welcome to our new topic and new chapter. Today we are going to start with chapter number 3 and our first topic, that is what are synthetic fibers and type of synthetic fibers. Let us see what are synthetic fibers and how are the types differentiated of the synthetic fibers and which are the types of synthetic fibers. So just have a look in our text.
Students, let us see the about synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? Can you see introduction to fibers? Different types of fibers, that is natural and synthetic. Then polymerization, that is polymer and monomer. Then comes manufacturing of synthetic fibers. Then the different synthetic fibers and their properties and uses, and the comparison between natural and synthetic fibers. Introduction to plastic. Properties of plastic, their advantages and disadvantages, types of plastic, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Then the examples, properties and uses of thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Then the problems related to plastic disposal. Then can you see the chain, the fibers, the yarn, that is weaving or knitting, then the fabric, stitching and cutting, and last the garment. There are two types of fibers. Let us see which are those. That is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Can you see natural fiber, that is obtained from plants and animals? Okay, then it is biodegradable, it has natural color and it is less durable. Same as synthetic fiber, it is used, chemicals are used, it is non-biodegradable, color is added, it more durable, and other names that are artificial fiber or man-made. Then can you see the fibers? Yes, natural fiber, that is plant fiber, cotton and jute. Okay, and the animal fiber, that is wool and silk. Then examples of synthetic fibers, that is nylon, polyester, acrylic, spandex. Also we are going to study rayon. Next, that is what are fibers made up of. So fibers are made up of small chemical units which are known as monomers. Let us see what are this made up of and how it is made. See, mono and mer. Can you see that mono, that is single, okay, and mer, that is unit, means single unit, that is called as monomer. So these fibers are made up of this monomer. Can you see how the monomers, one monomer it is joining, so the formation of a polymer. Monomers connect one after another to form a long chain like substance known as polymers. Poly means many and mers, that you have studied in 7th standard. Okay, silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and was kept as a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly, but its beautiful texture fascinated everybody. Attempts were made to make silk artificially. Towards the end of the 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. So where it was obtained? First in the China, and attempts were made to obtain it, make it silk artificially. This fiber was called rayon. Although rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, yet it is a man-made fiber. So this rayon is man-made fiber. Okay. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fibers. It can also be dyed in wide variety of colors. So rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpet. So it is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets and mixed with wool to make carpets. Then second, that is nylon. It is also another man-made fiber. It was prepared from coal, water and air, and first fully synthetic fiber. It is strong, elastic and light. It was lustrous and it is easy to wash. So it became very popular. Okay. We use many articles made from nylon such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrush, car, bed seals, etc. So these are the articles made from nylon. Then the polyester and acrylic. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Fabric made from the fibers does not get wrinkled easily. it remains crisp and is easy to wash. So it is quite suitable for making dress material. Okay, so and people wearing polyester shirts and other dresses. Yes, you know what is polyester. You all have seen that polyester shirts. Terylene is a popular polyester.
Students, hope you all are clear with this topic. From next video, I am going to start with new topic. See you in the next video. Bye.